Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to talk about how to bring the best out in people. Now, I've been passionate about this topic for many years, and we could spend an entire hour talking about how you motivate people, how you get people to do their best work. But for the purpose of this video, I want just to focus on one key element, and that is the vision. There's a lot of confusion around what the difference is between leadership and management. And for me, the difference is very simple. It is that as a leader, you inspire people. People want to do their best work. People are motivated to go out and achieve something of worth and of value. A manager manages systems and tries to influence team behavior to get results. A lot of time this is by instructing people to do work and trying to manipulate how they do that work, telling them what to do essentially. Good leaders don't need to tell anybody what to do. They inspire them, and those people go away and they do work off their own back within a certain set of guidelines. As a leader, it's your responsibility to define what that purpose is. It's your responsibility to create and describe it in all its glorious detail, to create an inspiring vision that people are going to want to go after day. They're going to feel motivated. They're going to feel that this is theirs as well as yours. And the sad truth is, if you are not inspiring people, then you are not a leader. If you want to know if you're a leader, ask yourself this simple question: who have I inspired? Just think about that moment. Inspiring people is very different to telling people what to do, and them doing that because it's their job. If people are inspired, they will do the work because they want to, not because they have to. So how do you make the change from manager to leader? Most leadership advice comes in the form of inspirational boilerplate quotes like this: the key to successful leadership is influence, not authority. Intuitively that makes sense, but it lacks the all-important how. What do you need to do? If you want to become a better leader, you need to answer these questions. If you believe that you've inspired somebody, why do you think they were inspired? What made you believe that they did the work because they wanted to, not because they had to? What did you say to them that inspired them? What do you think resonated with them to make them want to do the work rather than having to? What do you believe in about the potential of others, about the potential of your business or your project, the potential of the human race? What do you believe in that you think others should believe in? And then importantly, how could you explain that vision in 40 seconds in such a way that would inspire others, that would help people understand what that vision is, see it vividly in their mind, in a way that would inspire others to want to join forces with you and deliver that vision? A vision has two main aims. A vision inspires others to want to achieve that vision with you. And this provides an outlet for some unconscious beliefs or values that they may have. You describe a world in such vivid detail that people want to live in that world, and people will work with you to deliver that and make that a reality. Secondly, to attract those who believe what you believe, but also believe that you have the skills, the knowledge, the resources and the drive to make that vision a reality. If you truly want your business to excel, you need to avoid hiring people who can simply do the job. You need to hire people who can do the job but believe what you believe, who share the same values as you and want to live in the same future that you do. To create a high-performing business, you need the right people. And to find the right people, you need a vision. What's yours? Like I said, this is such an interesting topic, and it's one of my favorite topics to talk about. So we'll be doing further videos on this. So please, if you've enjoyed this video, if you found value in it, please tick the like button, subscribe to the channel, and look out for future videos. Until next time, take care.